Hello everyone, this is Muhammad Asad Amin, lecturer in physics, education and literacy department. Today I would like to deliver you a lecture on conversion of galvanometer into an ammeter and voltmeter. I hope you will find this lecture interesting and informative. Objective: to understand what is an ammeter and voltmeter, conversion of galvanometer into an ammeter and voltmeter. Ammeter is a electrical measuring device which is used to measure electric current through the circuit. It is the modified form of galvanometer. Voltmeter. Voltmeter is an electrical measuring device which is used to measure potential difference between 2 points in a circuit. Conversion of galvanometer into an ammeter. Galvanometer is a very sensitive instrument, therefore it can't measure heavy currents. In order to convert a galvanometer into an ammeter, a very low resistance known as shunt resistance is connected in parallel to galvanometer. Value of shunt is so adjusted that most of the current passes through the shunt. In this way, a galvanometer is converted into ammeter and can measure heavy currents without fully deflected. Let resistance of galvanometer is equals to Rg and it gives full scale deflection when current Ig is passed through it, as shown in the diagram. And according to Ohm's law, Vg is equals to Ig into Rg. This would be our equation number 1. Let a shunt of resistance Rs is connected in parallel to galvanometer. If total current through the circuit is I, then current through shunt is Is equals to I minus Ig. Potential difference across the shunt then will be given as V is equals to Is into Rs. So Vs is equals to I minus Ig into Rs, which will be our equation number 2. But the potential difference across the shunt and galvanometer is same, so Vs is equals to Vg. Now if you replace the value of Vs, which is I minus Ig into Rs, equal to the value of Vg, which is Ig into Rg, then from this equation Rs will be equals to Ig over I minus Ig into Rg, which is our required equation for an ammeter. Conversion of galvanometer into voltmeter. Since galvanometer is a very sensitive instrument, therefore it cannot measure high potential difference. In order to convert a galvanometer into voltmeter, a very high resistance known as series resistance is connected in series with the galvanometer, which can be shown in the diagram. Let resistance of galvanometer is equals to Rg and resistance Rx high is connected in series to it. Then the combined resistance will be equal to Rg plus Rx. If potential difference between the points to be measured is equals to V, and if galvanometer gives full scale deflection when current Ig passes through it, then V equals to Ig into Rg plus Rx, V equals to Ig Rg plus Ig Rx, Shuffling the equation, you will get V minus IGRG equals to IGRX. Then Rx will be equals to V minus Ig into Rg upon Ig. So Rx is equals to V upon Ig minus Rg. In this way, Rx can be found. Thank you so much from Government Degree Boys College, Jangal Shah.